Sometimes, genius doesn't come from formal training. Sometimes it comes from curiosity, passion, and a pair of dedicated hands. Today, we're witnessing one of the most incredible displays of craftsmanship ever recorded, where creativity and skill met in a workshop, and something remarkable was born. In a modest workshop, amidst simple tools and quiet light, a DIY master craftsman began creating an artifact that looked like it came from another world. Every cut, every curve, every detail was made with painstaking precision, not manufactured, not mass-produced, but handmade. This wasn't just handiwork, this was artistry, the kind that defies expectations and makes people stop and marvel. What makes this creation truly astonishing is the detail. Some masterpieces take years, even decades, but this artifact was completed with a level of patience and skill that's rare even among seasoned professionals. Each piece seemed to tell its own story, a whisper of imagination carved into reality. Word of this work spread quickly. Videos and photos began circulating, and soon, something unexpected happened. A veteran craftsman, someone whose hands have worked wood, metal, and stone for longer than most people have lived, saw the creation and was astounded. Not just impressed, astounded. He didn't just praise it, he begged to take this young creator on as his apprentice. Think about that for a moment. A seasoned master, someone who has spent years perfecting his trade, seeing raw, self-taught talent that he believes is worth mentoring. That's not just praise, that's respect. That's a recognition that something exceptional has happened here. What could inspire such admiration? Was it the sheer complexity of the design, the flawless precision of the edges, the harmony between form and function? Perhaps all of it, but more importantly, it felt alive. Not in a mystical sense, yet it had the soul of something more than just an object. Because craft isn't just about making, it's about understanding, about seeing not only what exists, but what could exist. Great craftsmen don't just build objects, they bridge the gap between imagination and reality. And that's what this piece represents. In every cut of wood, every carved edge, every polished surface, we see innovation meeting tradition. We see a self-taught craftsman who didn't wait for approval, who didn't wait for training, who simply began and learned by doing. This is the kind of work that challenges what we think is possible. And when a veteran, someone with decades of experience, can look at your work and say, "I want to take you on as an apprentice," that's not just praise, that's a moment history might remember. This story isn't just about a beautiful artifact, it's about passion, it's about dedication, it's about the idea that greatness doesn't require pedigree, it requires persistence, curiosity, and heart. And if you carry those, whatever your craft, the world will take notice. So if you're watching this and feeling inspired, create something today. Whether it's wood, metal, clay, or an idea, start. Because you never know who's going to say, "Teach me what you know."